look, the marine environment and terrestrial environment of Christmas Island, it's globally highly significant and really unique. There's a range of endemic species, so that's species not found anywhere else on Earth that only inhabit here, and that's both on marine and terrestrial environments, more so on the terrestrial environment. But as we get more marine research, we'll definitely find more endemic species that are only found on Christmas Island. It's just that there hasn't been as much research in the marine environment as there has been on land.
Yeah, but it's just one of those things where I suppose how things have changed in recent years due to conservation measures and communication and education of the local community as well. So even though there's been mining on the island for over 140 years, we still have over 75% of the island that is a largely intact and contiguous rainforest system. 63% of the island is in fact in national park.
But as you can see, you'll see the blowholes this afternoon, but it's not just the section of the blowholes. Our whole coastline along Christmas Island is like this, so dramatic.
I would describe Christmas Island as very wild, Jurassic, prehistoric, and I love nature. Like, that is probably my biggest inspiration. So it's everywhere.